Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you see my channel, please like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Today's topic is Strength of Material, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles, Solution for Problems, Class 13. If you want to see the previous classes, please click the I button on the top of the video to see all the playlist of Strength of Material, Unit 1 and subscribe to my channel friends. The problem number 13 is 3 like parallel forces. That is, like parallel means all the forces are traveling at the same direction. That is 100 Newton, 200 Newton and 300 Newton are acting at a point A, B and C in a straight line ABC. So the point A has 100 Newton and point B has 200 Newton and point C has 300 Newton as shown in the figure. The figure is given below. The distance are AB 3 meter and BC is 4 meter. So the distance between A and B is 3 meter and B and C is 4 meter. We have to find the resultant and also the distance between the resultant from the point A. So we have to find the distance of the resultant from the point A and also the resultant. We see the diagram. There is a point straight line A, B, C. At the point A, it is 100 Newton and point B 200 Newton, point C is 300 Newton. The distance between A is 3 meter and distance between BC is 4 meter. There is a point called D. That was the resultant. We have to find the resultant value and also the distance of AD. It was represented as X. So we have to find the value of X also. So see the given data. The force A is 100 Newton, force at B is 200 Newton, force at C is 300 Newton. Distance AB equal to 3 meter and distance BC is 4 meter, and to find resultant R and distance of the resultant from A. For the solution, for the like parallel force, or we have to sum the all the forces, so it get the resultant. So resultant equal to 100 plus 200 plus 300, that is resultant equal to 600 Newton. All the forces is added, so we get the resultant of the force in the like parallel force. So now we have to find the momentum. So for the momentum of each force from point A to get the value of X. So from point 100 Newton about A, it was 0 momentum. There is no length because the 100 Newton is act on the point A. So 100 into 0, that is 0 Newton meter, and point 200 Newton about A is 200 into 3 because the distance between the A and 200 is 3 meter. So 200 into 3 is 600 Newton meter. It was anti-clockwise moment. And the resultant 600 Newton about A, that is 600 into X, that is 600x. It is also a anti-clockwise moment. And the force 300 Newton about A, that is 300 into 7, the 7 because of the point distance from the A to C. It was 3 into 4, 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 300 into 7 is 2100 Newton meter. It is also a anti-clockwise moment. Now we have to find the overall momentum of all forces. So we have to calculate all the forces. We have to sum all the forces except the resultant. So all the forces are 0 Newton meter, 600 Newton meter and 2100 Newton meter. That is MO equal to 0 plus 600 plus 2100 Newton meters. So that value of becomes MO equal to 2700 Newton meter. It is also a anti-clockwise moment. Now moment of resultant R equal to 600x. So moment of resultant equal to moment of all forces. We have to substitute like this. So now substitute the value of the moment of resultant 600x, that is equal to 2700. Now transfer the 600 from left to right, it becomes divide. So x equal to 2700 divided by 600. The value of x is 4.5 meter. Now we found the value of x. So the result is the resultant R equal to 600 Newton and distance of the resultant from A is 4.5 meter. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, comment on the comment section and subscribe my videos. Thank you, friends.